What's up? It's Alo Knight coming at you again with another average of 5 speed cube solve. Currently have CS timer fired up here. Alright, let's get into the solves. First mix. Okay, let's see. Like an orange, the white's fixed. Blue and the orange repaired. Once that fix, once I match these two, then I'll get yellow to match up, the yellow edge and orange to match up. Yeah, that'd be fine. Okay. I promise my explanations will get a lot more detailed as time goes on. Oh, if I had reacted a little faster, that could have been my record because I got 22.15. Granted, I was gifted a pair after I solved the cross, and then as you could see, as you saw, I'm sure the more edges is lined up perfectly as I continue solving it. Probably won't get into sub 25 this entire solve because I'm averaging around 30-ish right now, so I consider myself lucky. Okay, next solve. Gonna go with green, have the yellow, have the white here. The orange can fit nicely. Okay, cool, let's do that one. Oh, wrong button. Okay, what happens? .36. I stuttered way too much in that solve. Too many pauses. I didn't look ahead far enough. Alright, solve number 3. Okay. I'm going for green. 32.71. It's not bad. Still around my average. Solve number 4. Hopefully I can get a average of 5 below 30. That'd be great. That'd mean progress for me. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do white. 31.80. That's good. Probably won't get that sub 30 average I'm looking for, but you did it definitely better than the last video's average. I think it was 31, I think. I don't remember too much. Alright, final solve. I'm gonna go for red here. Oh. If only I went faster, I would have broken the record for sure. 22.94. Average of 28.99. Oh, no, 8. Average of 5 is 29.15. That's good for me. I'll take that any day. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and do quick 2x2 average of 5. The Flying Cycle Boys 2x2. Alright. Wow, 2 sub 30s. That was crazy. 2 sub 25s. That was crazy. Alright. 2x2. Yellow. Oh, that was bad. 24. I'm not fast at 2x2 at all. 3x3 I'm decent, but 2x2 I'm still a beginner. Nope, I keep pressing the wrong buttons. Solve number 2. $14.69, that's good. It's better for me. Way better than 24. Anything's better than 24. You guys watch. I'm gonna be getting sub 5s in the next couple of months. Y'all wait and see. Oh no. No, that was bad. 20 seconds exactly. I guess that's lucky. Alright, solve number 4. I go for green. $19.86. Alright, so right now I'm at 19.64 for my average for all 4 of them. Hopefully I can get below 17 or 16. That'd be great. I'll go for white here. Sub 15, awesome. 12.52 with the average of 18.18. That's not bad at all. All right. I think that'll be all for today. I'll definitely be doing more of these as time goes on. Maybe I'll even do one with a 4x4 once I get faster, then 5x5 then once I get even faster, 6x6. I love the 6x6. Well, yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day. Aloha.